So we're in the back room here, and this is where we just finished putting in our 5 posts. This goes up 2 floors. I'm pretty sure I did a video about it. It wasn't supported. There was no posts in here, and it didn't look really good. So, plus upstairs the doors didn't shut right. So I jacked it up the best I could, tried to go a little high, and then I started putting in these posts. This has been about a 2-year task because cut them and dried and been jacking and did a lot of other projects. But the last one just got put in, and I think we're good. I think we have to go upstairs and see how the doors work and see how it looks, but I think it's better than it was. All the beams are nice and tight now. You can see all the way across here. I don't know, maybe you can't see, but there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right in this area that go all the way across, and they look like 2x8s, so 6 of them going across here. And this does go up 3 floors, so it is a major wall here above it, a lot of weight. And we put in the bases. The floor is not, it's not a thick concrete floor, so that's one of the reasons I did 5 posts. Also, with these doors here, they're still going to open. So we're still going to have functional area here. It's not going to hinder that. I put them in the right place so that they don't hit. So the next thing is to fix these doors so they all close and clean out the shelving and maybe even do some repair behind it. Although I think just cleaning it out will be a huge step towards that. And then here we went right into the floor. Probably can't see, but the jack was going down about close to 3 inches. So we got to do a little pounding here and then concrete that. And we might do some concrete over here. A couple other spots went down some, but not a huge deal. We've done it here, and it's held up really good. So that's where we're at. After 7 years, we got all of our posts in the basement. And I think that's all we need. I'm pretty sure I don't need any more. But if I find another spot, I'll put another one in.